Today, MotorHub 1003 solemnly marks the passing of one of the greatest automotive visionaries of our time, Ercole Spada. The man behind some of the most breathtaking and iconic car designs, including the legendary Aston Martin DB4 Zagato, has died at the age of 88. His work was more than design. It was art that shaped the very identity of sports cars for generations. Ercole Spada's name might not be as widely known as the cars he designed, but his influence is impossible to ignore. The Aston Martin DB4 Zagato, introduced in the early 1960s, remains one of the most coveted classic cars worldwide. Its perfect blend of sleek Italian styling with British engineering excellence set a new benchmark for elegance, performance, and racing pedigree. Spada's design was revolutionary. Clean lines, aggressive stance, and a timeless beauty that continues to inspire modern car makers and enthusiasts alike. Spada's talent extended far beyond the DB4 Zagato. As a key figure at Zagato, and later through collaborations with brands like Alfa Romeo, Lancia, and Ferrari, he pushed the boundaries of automotive design. His cars weren't just fast, they were sculptural expressions of speed and style, from the Alfa Romeo Giulia TZ to the Lancia Fulvia Sport. Ercole Spada's designs have become collectors' treasures, museum pieces, and lasting symbols of automotive artistry. Ercole Spada's passing leaves a void in the automotive world, but his legacy lives on in every curve and contour of the cars he shaped. Designers today still look to his work for inspiration, and collectors cherish the cars that carry his signature style. That he taught us that great design is about emotion, innovation, and timelessness. And that is the true mark of a legend. At MotorHub 1003, we honor Ercole Spada's extraordinary life and career. He was more than a designer. He was a visionary who changed the way we see cars forever. For those who love classic cars and design, his story reminds us why the passion for automotive beauty will never fade. Thank you, Ercole Spada, for the legacy you leave behind.